I am president of the robotics club. I've been with the club for 3 years. We've done better each year. This year we're showing some good traits, and I hope to make it to the World Finals. Hope we can make it to the World Finals. These are actually exactly what we need. There's 1, 2.
Teamwork is a very important factor for the robotics team, because if we don't have teamwork, then everybody's doing their own little thing in different areas. So then there needs to be a lot of communication and a lot of teamwork so that we can work well together.
The team in general is a beautiful work of art as far as cooperation goes. On one hand, you've got the build team who designs and builds the robot from scratch, puts all the parts together.
We start with designing the robot from scratch, and then afterwards we figure out what parts to use, and we actually assemble the robot.
We build the essentials for the robot.
It's going to another sprocket on an idler sprocket back here.
Here, one here.
Oh, okay.
First of all, we design before we build anything.
Using Pro-E, we're allowed to make a graphical model of what our robot would look like without actually physically building it.
We look at the robot and we look at where each piece is and basically model that in the software.
If there's a discretion on anything, we vote on it, and then we put something together. And
Hold before you start.
Put some pressure on it first, and then click it. There you go. Pressure down, and then turn it.
I am programmer, one of two. I program both teleop and autonomous.
What we do is we basically go through and we tell the robot how to work, how to interact with the human counterparts.
It's really cool, seeing the robot do exactly what you want it to do. Kind of gives you a powerful feeling.
Pictures of all the team members and put next to their little biography.
We go to area elementary and middle schools to try and engage the interests of those students to start a career in robotics and possibly join a robotics club when they get to high school.
We literally give them a presentation on what FIRST is and things like that, and then we let them control our robot and then tell them about how we made it and stuff.
Generally, our plan for fundraising has been to do car washes every so often.
We've sold hot dogs at the race games.
Besides that, we've gone to some companies asking for sponsorship, some of which are Raytheon and Monin.
I want to say thanks Monin and thanks Raytheon for supporting our team. Without you, it wouldn't be possible.
Thank you to Raytheon and Monin for sponsoring us.
I think we got a good group of guys. We're being real productive this year. I think we've got a real good chance of making it to the World Finals.